So what you can also utilize DeepSeek for is for generating SEO or search engine optimization keywords. Let's say, for example, I'm making a YouTube video and I want to know what search engine optimization keywords I need to use for a specific video. In that case, you can simply give a description like this. Let's say, for example, I am making a video on how to make good pizza at home with homemade ingredients, and I am posting it in YouTube. Give me 3 hashtags that I can use for my video. Then give me 20-word description that I can add, and 25 keywords that I can use to improve my SEO for the video. So let's say, for example, you gave all of these information right here as per how you like. Then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and give you all of the details accordingly. So you can see that it says these are the hashtags that you should use right here, and there is a 20-word description, and you get the 25 SEO keywords as well. So I said this is about making pizza with homemade ingredients. So it says homemade pizza, pizza lovers, and easy pizza recipe. Then you have learn how to make delicious homemade pizza from scratch with fresh, simple ingredients, perfect for pizza lovers and beginners. And then over here you can see that there's homemade pizza, easy pizza recipe, homemade pizza dough, and so forth. And it gave me exactly 25 tags, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and generate out SEO keywords as you like for your contents in DeepSeek as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.